Oh God. Okay, give me this sword. Oh! Don't touch the button. But I like pressing buttons. Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Eyeless Wolf. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna be playing Don't Touch the Button. So let's get started. All right, so I guess it's pretty simple. Just don't press the button. Pretty easy. Okay, I can't take this. We gotta press the button. Oh? Nothing happened. Okay, all right. Yes. Oh. Stop clicking. Sorry, man. Oh. Stop it. Okay. Oh, he moved the button. Okay. You think that's gonna stop me? Nope. Okay, goodbye. What? What? Oh, the button's gone. It's right there! Oh my goodness. Too easy, man. Are you even trying? To be honest with you, no. But, where'd it go? Hello? Aw. I just really like pressing buttons, man. Is it in my inventory? Oh, wait, there's a shulker box right there. Ah! Oh, it's not gonna let me. Oh God. Okay, come on. Tell me why. Do you have any reason? Because I like pressing buttons. Can you just leave me alone? Oh. What was that? Sorry, man. I'll leave you alone. Oh. What? Yes! Oh. It's gone. What? Give it back. Yes! Yes! What do I do with this? I can make a button. Yeah! Yes! Oh. It's disappeared. Whoa! Oh, okay, alright. There's a button all the way over there. I get it? Did I get it? It's your fault. What? Ow! 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 Oh! Oh God! Whoa. Whoa. Wait, is it gonna let me get that? Is it gonna... Whoa! Oh God. Okay, give me this sword! Oh! Okay, yes. Ha! Stupid! You stupid loser! Ow! You Ooh. Woo! Woo! You survived! Damn right, baby. Maybe can I just starve you? Okay. Ow. Or poison! No! Please! No! Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's not how it works, buddy. Okay, stop. Okay, alright. Give me this one. Ooh. Have a food. What did that say? Have a food and give me all the stuff back. Then I'll let you free. Ooh, I'm supposed to be making something. Well. No. And a button. Oh, it took away my button. Oh god. It took it away. No, what? It took away my Blackstone. Why'd it do that? One more. I need one more. Come on. Oh, yes. Oh, finally. Oh. It's disappeared. What is this? Where'd it? No. Where'd it go? Alright everyone, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell to join the pack. Anyways, I guess I'm just gonna be stuck in the empty void because I didn't listen to the map. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!